In this video, I want to show you exactly how to build an AI company with ChatGPT, with AI, and why it's so important to do this right now. If you remember the start of the App Store, maybe 10, 15 years ago, there was a problem. There weren't enough apps on the App Store for the millions and millions of people to download. Now, with ChatGPT, there's 100 million people on the platform. 100 million people. This is way bigger than the App Store. This is probably going to be bigger than the internet. So if you get in now and start building companies, AI companies, whether it's for ChatGPT or just using the AI that they provide, you will win. So I'm building a bunch of companies, and I'm going to do it in public here on this YouTube channel and let you follow along. So if you've seen my other videos before, I'm an algo trader, but I also launch companies, and it's the time to launch a lot of AI companies. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you how I do it so you can just follow, my path and take whatever tips you want. And I've done this a lot throughout the last couple decades. I've launched a lot of businesses. So I'm happy to share this with you. It's the one way I can give back. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's say, why is now the time to launch an AI company? Let's start there and see what ChatGPT has to say about that. Now is a great time to launch an AI company for several reasons. Technology advancements. AI technology has significantly in recent years, with sophisticated models and applications being developed constantly. So market demand, exactly what I was saying. There's just so much demand for it. Investment and funding. Investors, I'm also an angel investor, so if you do come up with an idea that is really great, you can always reach out to me. But I know angel investors and VCs, they're all over this. Data availability, talent pool, everybody wants to be in AI right now. And let's go ahead and say, based off of my hobbies below, what are some good AI companies that I can launch? And I'll give it some of my hobbies. I'm gonna say teaching, building companies. I like to boogie board, work out. I like to walk. I like to travel. Let's see what it does. And you can do the same thing, and it'll give you different answers, which is pretty amazing. Now we're at chat.openai.com if you don't already know about ChatGPT, but this is AI telling us what to do. So AI enhanced education platform. Develop an AI-driven platform that personalizes and optimizes learning experiences for students based on their strengths, weaknesses, or an AI-powered fitness and wellness app. Okay, that's a good one. Let's see, an AI-driven travel assistant. I like that as well. I think I like the AI-enhanced education platform best right now. A boogie board training assistant. That could be fun. So you can see it gives you a ton of different ideas. And then after this, what I want to do is essentially say, what are some digital? I like the AI education platform. What are some digital products that I can sell with that company? And then this is just, it's unlimited. So there's really no excuse not to launch companies these days, because you have AI doing all the thinking for you and you just have to feed it. So an AI enhanced education platform can offer various digital products and services to cater to different customers and their needs. So personalized learning modules, develop and sell subject-specific modules, AI-powered tutoring services, okay, intelligent assessment tools, learning analytics, dashboard. Okay, this is fascinating, right? Because these are ideas that I wouldn't have come up with. Gamified learning experiences, virtual classrooms and collaboration tools, AI enhanced study materials, offer AI generated study materials such as flashcards, mind maps, and summary notes. AI powered language learning platform. Subscription-based access. Okay, so you can see now I have an idea and some things I want to sell. So I think I'm gonna do like I want to sell a 7-day boot camp that teaches people how to build an AI company. I will show them exactly what or how to set up to come up with an idea, how to set up their sales page, how to get sales, and even how to build the product, whether that is a digital training or a piece of software. I can show them how to build this product with AI. Okay, so please give me a headline for the sales page and a subline. Also, give me a bootcamp outline I can put on the sales page, put on the sales page. And what else? Give me some main selling points of the bootcamp I can put on the sales page. I can put on the sales page. And let's start with there and see what it creates for us. Because then I can go ahead and actually start making this sales page out. So launch your AI empire in just 7 days. The ultimate bootcamp to build and scale your AI company from scratch. So let's use that. This is amazing. I'm gonna grab this here and I'm gonna go over to my website builder. I use ClickFunnels. I can share this with you as well, a link to this. Let's call this AI Bootcamp, or yep, let's do that. Let's just use a domain I have here. Let's use code in 14 days, AI Bootcamp. And well, let's actually use, let's use that one. And we'll call it AI Bootcamp. So I'll just save it here. Let's go here real quick. So I set up my Stripe account. Let's click save here. And then we're going to use all this information that it's writing for us. So you can see it's working for us while we're doing this. And I'm going to go to the order page and actually set up this website so we can actually sell this. And I'm showing you all this process because this is what I'm actually doing. And I think this could be super helpful for you, and I can share this link below as well. So I'll give you all the code, everything in this video. I'll put it in this bootcamp actually. So let's build it together. And then if you want all the code and the actual training that I'll build out for this bootcamp, we'll do that as well. So let's go ahead. This is my other bootcamp. It's going to be relatively similar. I'm just going to have it fill in all the information. So you can see here, this is the first thing you do. So let's go ahead and paste this in. And I'll remove this video for now because I don't have a video, but we can make one later. And then instead of trading can be easy, let's go ahead and grab whatever it said here. You can see AI is literally building my my whole lander for me, my whole landing page. So you can see discover the insider secrets to ideation, sales, and AI powered product development in one intensive hands-on bootcamp. So let's make this much smaller. And probably don't need this one for now. So let's delete that. Get access to the AI bootcamp that will teach you exactly how to build an AI company. And then, yes, I want to build an AI company now. Click here to enroll. So what's in the bootcamp? Well, we actually had it build us something here. So what is in the bootcamp? Let's go ahead and copy all this over, and then I'll change it up so I can actually put this stuff in the bootcamp, because if you want all this information I'm showing today, I can just give it to you. So day one. So let's do this a little nicer. A closer look at the bootcamp. Get the entire bootcamp, all the code. Let's go ahead and hide some of these rows for now, just because we don't have that information, but that's fine because we have plenty of information to get started. So get access, get the entire AI bootcamp and all the code instantly. So everything that I show you in this video, I'll give you access to. A closer look inside of the bootcamp. Let's go ahead and put all of these in there, but one by one. So day one, AI company ideation. Let's paste it in there. And then day two, crafting your unique value prop. And I can teach all of this, so I will. If you do actually end up joining this bootcamp, I've launched multiple companies in my life, and I'm an angel investor, so I've seen a lot of companies as well. And my goal here is to just launch this AI company here today. And essentially, this is going to be an education platform that helps you learn how to build your own AI company. And it's going to, I'm actually an engineer as well, so I can build this AI out in order to be helpful in the learning process. So I'm really excited about this. It's kind of the start of my education platform. I've launched some different boot camps before, but this one is really exciting for me because it's a win-win. Because what's going to happen is, if you're actually really interested in starting an AI company, well, if you do it and you follow the way I do it, I know this works. So you can then reach out to me if you need like funding or whatever down the road, and you're doing really well. So let's go ahead and get all of this in here as well. And let's go ahead and put that, maybe I'll go ahead and hide these for now. But maybe later, by the time you see this, it might be back. But for now, I don't have all that content, and I just want to show you how you can go ahead and set this up as well. And I'm just doing this so you have as much free information as possible. We do always have a money back guarantee on anything I sell. So what students are saying, I'll get back to that later. This is me, and let's go ahead and put this stuff in there. Comprehensive AI business training, our 7-day boot camp. What's inside? Let's call this what's inside. What to expect. And we'll go ahead and I'll hide all this stuff for now, because this is pertaining to the other boot camp. But see how easy this is? Like, I'm launching a company right now, and I invite you to do the same. I'll hook you up with all the steps that you need, and I'll put it for sale here in this bootcamp that we're building out today. So, okay, that's a pretty good landing page. Now, I just want to add in, let me delete this because these aren't students from this account. Well, I'll keep it actually, because these are students of mine, just a different bootcamp. Let's go ahead and add in a little more detail here to what's going on in the days. So let's call this day one. See if we can make this look nice though. I don't know if we're gonna be able to. trying to think of a better place for this. 100% money back guarantee. Let's go ahead and just put it right here so I can explain it a little bit more. And this is what I'm actually going to be teaching. So it's amazing that I don't even have to think about what I'm teaching because it will write it for me. So this is the outline, bootcamp outline, and we'll put that in there. And then I want to show you how to set up the payments and stuff, and then we can set it up so you can actually get going. So it doesn't look too nice, so we're going to make this bold here. Going to make a space here, make this bold. So all the days we'll make bold. It's not the nicest landing page to start, but it converts well. That's something I always get people talking about. Is like, oh, your page looks so ugly. And it's like, well, it converts really well and gets sales way better than like a beautiful website because there's no distractions. And it's a hard thing to comprehend for a lot of people, but it just is what it is. You know, I've sold a lot of stuff online, and the less distractions, nowhere to click except buy is how you actually sell. So I'll teach you everything, you know, all of my tips and tricks inside of the bootcamp. And let's go ahead and call this AI bootcamp, 7-day AI bootcamp. Learn how to build and grow an AI company. And then we'll say the keywords are AI company, AI business, how to, okay, I think that's probably good. And then once we're here, we're actually pretty much done. So launch your AI empire in 7 days. The ultimate bootcamp to build and scale your AI company from scratch. Discover the insider secrets to ideation, sales, and AI powered product development in one intensive hands-on week. So this is pretty good. I kind of want to put this here because there's 2 buttons just right back to back. And let's look how it looks on mobile. And I'll show you exactly how to set this all up on your own website inside of this bootcamp. So I'll add more information to the bootcamp, but essentially my goal here is to teach you absolutely everything you need to know, because my ultimate goal is to make sure you're successful. Because if you're successful, then maybe you'll give me the opportunity to fund or at least become an advisor or something of your company. As I mentioned earlier, I'm an angel investor, so I see a big wave like this, AI, and I want to get it into the hands of as many people as possible, as many ambitious founders like yourself. And if I could teach you how to get it to your first 100K, then that's awesome, because then you can take it to the moon from there. So I think this is a pretty good landing page. Let's go ahead and set up the actual payment and the thank you page. So after you join, you're going to get access to our Discord. You're going to get access to everything that, let's put this, everything that you need. So you're going to get access to the actual video training, and I'm going to make that right after this video. So by the time you watch this and you join, let's go ahead and set this product up. I'm going to set it up for just $97. It's like 20 years of internet business life training for $97. Probably the best price I would ever be able to give. So let's say AI bootcamp, and we're going to say $97, and we'll call this 97 USD one time. And we'll put billing description as AI bootcamp and save and next. And here we'll put a fulfillment email. So when somebody buys it, then we'll say, thank you for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for joining the AI bootcamp. We will send you access ASAP. So we'll send access directly to the user. And then the last thing I want to do is set up a thank you page, because this thank you page will allow us to actually deliver the content. So I'll put all the videos on this thank you page. So I just hit clone this funnel step. Let's see what else. What are some good strategies? No, I'll go over all that in the videos, but like, what are some good strategies of how to market this, how to grow it, how to get your first sales, and so on and so on. So let's add this to funnel, and we're gonna make the thank you page right now, and you're gonna be pretty much done, and you'll know exactly how to launch this. So I think this is a good little intro to how to at least generate your first ideas. Thank you for joining. And let's go ahead and put this here, access all content here, access bootcamp here, and I'm also going to put access Discord here, and then I'm going to actually I'm actually going to get the Discord link, access Discord here, and then let's go ahead and get our Discord link so we actually have access. Let's go ahead and say create invite. You can't see this, but access Discord here. And just like that, I launched an AI startup, and this AI startup is going to grow into a AI education platform. So we're starting with the process of getting it out there to show people how, like yourself, how to launch an AI company, because the time is now. Like I said, it's the start of the App Store. I absolutely cleaned up in the App Store when it was launched, and I was 2 years late. So to be this early on something is incredible. And that's why I started this YouTube channel, is to show you, what I'm doing, how I'm building it, building out my AI companies. And I will keep launching more videos like this, showing you how to launch AI companies, how to get new ideas. And then if you want to actually learn how to grow the company and grow it really fast, and, get to your first 6 figures and then beyond. And even like, if you want to grow this to raise money and all that, like I said, I'm an angel investor. So my ultimate goal is to make you successful. I'll make sure this link is below so you can go ahead and join the bootcamp. If you join it, I will send you all of the training you need. It's going to be a 7-day bootcamp. You can read about it on the front page. I'll probably make a couple tweaks, but we've had really good success with our algo trading bootcamp, and people are absolutely killing it. So, the way I train people on how to build stuff online is very successful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you were mind blown as I am, how AI can just help you create an idea and then execute the idea and then write all the copy. That's pretty amazing. So my name is Moondev. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video or in the bootcamp, which you can access below.